Hola amigos, welcome to the Gustavo Review channel. In today's video we are going to look at the rigid pipe wrench. This is very good made in America. Very good, the United States of America. Very good, very sturdy, it open very easy to use, it no require maintenance, and more importantly, it got a lifetime warranty. Look at this. I have this for nearly 2 years. It look brand new. The jaws still very good shape. Very good for the plumbing, the HVAC, the handy is very good product here. You got it a lifetime warranty, as I said before, and yes, this is one of my favorite pipe wrenches. This one's 14 inches, and kit or key, very good.